Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how I use aloe vera in 3 different ways. So first I'm going to wash the aloe vera stalk very gently and very thoroughly here, just to make sure there is no dirt or dust on the stalk. Next I'm going to cut this bottom part of the aloe vera stalk because we do not need it, and here you can see the gel, and that's the part that we require for all our 3 uses. Next I'm going to make small slices, and this size is good. As you can see, I'm going to use this part of the section for my face. And yes, do not forget to cut off the thorns from the side, and this will help to expose the gel of the aloe vera that we require. Now I'm going to slice the upper and the lower skin of the aloe vera just to expose the aloe vera gel more so it can be used efficiently. So now with the help of a spoon or a knife, anything that is available and easy for you, you can scoop out the gel and keep it in a small bowl as so. So here I'm cutting out the gel from the skin, and yeah, so that should be good to be used on my skin for deep moisturizing. So next I'm going to prepare a aloe vera juice, for which you will be needing lemon, aloe vera and a spoonful of honey. So pour all the 3 ingredients into a blender. Here I'm going to pour some warm water as well and then blend it. Now I'm going to take a clean tea strainer and strain the mixture just to make sure there is no unblended residue in it. Now I'm going to show you how I use my aloe vera on my skin. I just take the aloe vera that I have extracted and apply it on my skin directly, as so. So I try to make some small circular movements and try to apply it on every part of the skin, leaving the eye area. And the leftover aloe vera, I just take it and apply it on my hair. So you can make sections and try to apply it to the roots and also the length of the hair. So overall you are doing a deep moisturizing for your scalp, your hair and also your face. And then I'm going to take a shower cap that I have. If you do not have a shower cap, you can use any cloth to wrap up the hair. I'm going to leave it for at least an hour or so. Now I'm taking the leftover aloe vera and applying it on my skin for the second time. It gets absorbed into the skin very quickly, so yes, it is not sticky. So since I had enough, so I just tried to apply it again. While my skin and my hair is absorbing the goodness of the aloe vera, I'm also drinking the aloe vera juice that I prepared. So now it's been an hour and a half almost, and now I'm going to wash off the aloe vera from my hair. So I just showered right now and I just shampooed my hair, but if you guys, some of you guys may want to just leave it as it is, so then you can just wash it off with plain water and that should be fine. And it is not greasy, so it's not going to stay on your hair. And you can see, and I was really shocked while I was washing my hair because it felt like as if I have applied conditioner, but I did not. So I just shampooed, and only the shampoo, that's it. And you can just have a look. Right now I haven't dried my hair yet, so but yeah, I'll give you a glimpse of when it's dried fully, and then you can see the texture. But it feels really light and very soft. and I think it is very hydrated. Hi guys, so I have air dried my hair, as I mentioned in my earlier videos as well, that I do not use any hair dryer on my hair. So right now it is all dried and it feels very soft, smooth, and there's no tangles. So you guys also can try the deep moisturizing hair mask. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Ben dia tapi sakal na, may certain such in the Kumila, you need to put your hair at the side and you know. So full of Ben ko
You know, they have the ability to influence.
So this help me.
Product or service, and